Ifichi, and I think a lot. Sometimes I wish I didn't, but my mind just doesn't know how to stop. It's like one thought comes in and another and another, and before I even realize it, I'm already deep in it. I can be fine 1 minute, just existing, just living, and suddenly I'm thinking about everything. I'm thinking about my future, my mistakes, the things I said, the things I wish I said differently. And the crazy part is, it feels so real when I'm in it. Like every thought matters. Like every feeling needs an answer. But it never really ends. It just keeps going. Same thoughts, different emotions. And sometimes it's exhausting. So exhausting. There are days where I feel strong, like I understand myself, or I'm in control. And there are days where I don't even understand my own mind. I doubt, I think, I compare. Then I remember what someone said, which I was trying to place. Listen.
Relax. You're someone else's prayer point. People are praying to have you in their life. Never beg to be loved. Never. Don't try it. Don't lose your value. Never beg. Once you start begging to be loved, you are finished. You are entirely finished.
And another said,
those who compare themselves with themselves are not wise.
and also this.
Don't let people that are not trying make you that is trying feel like you are not good enough.
And then after listening to all this, I realized that somewhere in all that noise, I forgot what it feels like to just be peace. The truth is, I can't stop my thoughts from coming, but I can choose which one gets to stay, and that changes everything.